What's your background first? My mom is Japanese from Osaka, and my father is Haitian. I've been living in Japan for 3.5 years, and I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York City.
Kal halayim la Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Bahashem Recha Korash, giving double honors to the men and the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone, who I learn from daily, who teach with truth and sincerity, and shalom to the hopeful elect. Evidence, again, that we were scattered. In Jeremiah 12:9, mine heritage is unto me as a speckled bird. The birds round about are against her. Come ye, assemble all the beasts of the field. Come to devour. And its speckled bird is speaking of the scattered Israelites that mingled themselves among the heathens. Deuteronomy 28:64. And the Lord shall scatter thee among all people from the one end of the earth until the other, and there thou shalt serve other gods, which neither thou nor thy fathers have known, even wood and stone. So that goes to show you that we were scattered across the world. And the seed of an Israelite is still an Israelite, no matter what woman you lay down with.
What's your background first? My mom is Japanese from Osaka, and my father is Haitian. I've been living in Japan.
Does that make him Japanese because his mom is Japanese? Obviously not. He would be a Haitian like his father, aka an Israelite.
For 3.5 years, and I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York City. I'm straight up a New Yorker. A lot of things in Japan I would just not follow. Well, I mean, of course I follow the rules and the laws and stuff. Personality-wise, like, nah. Some of these personalities, like Japanese people carry, I respect it. Would I ever want to copy it? No. No, I'm a New Yorker all day, every day. So is there any part of your personality that you feel like you are Japanese? My manners. I feel like Japanese culture, when it comes to manners, is more respectful and more caring. I definitely try to mimic some of those. Try to really show hospitality towards others. Can you introduce yourself in Japanese? Okay. はじめまして、細野海と申します。IT の関係の仕事に勤めています。よろしくお願いいたします。
As you can see, Deuteronomy 32:9. For the Lord's portion is his people. Jacob is the lot of his inheritance. As you can see right there, that is an obvious Jake, which y'all like to call mixed, but he's not mixed. He is an Israelite who's just whose seed was planted in a Japanese woman. So he looks Japanese. We will be scattered throughout the nations. Just something quick. Shalom.